Hey there, you two. Well, here's a little tiny glimpse of the corner of your window, and I just want to go over the hooks that I put on the panel for you. Whenever we hang a panel, what we try, especially a large panel, what we try to do is we try to transmit all of the weight straight down. So this is what is bearing the weight of the panel, not anything across the top. So these hooks I call my secret hooks, and since you wanted to have the availability to hang the panel either vertical or horizontal, I've put one of my secret hooks on each side. So there are 8 hooks on this window, and this is what I want to show you. Right now the panel is set horizontally. So if you wanted to hang the panel horizontally, what you would do is you would put your hook in here. Once you make that decision, I know you're actually going to be hanging it vertically, but again, once you make the decision on the direction you're going to hang the panel, you're going to use the hook that is on the side that is horizontal. And you're going to put your chain in here, and you're going to hang the panel with the hooks that I'm going to send for you. So once you make that decision, what you can do is this. I don't want you to be afraid of your panel. So you can tap the hook that you're not using, just tap it right down and minimize it. And use this hook, and then even once you get this window up, you can even tap this hook in a little bit. And you'll find that it looks very, very minimal and looks terrific. And the chain that I'm going to give you comes on and off easily, but with a nice pair of pliers, what you'll find is the hooks just open right back up again, which is exactly what you want. You want to be able to open them and close them as you need them. Now, I wouldn't do this over and over and over again. This will become a weak point. You stress the metal every time you move it, but I don't think you're going to have a problem with that. It's not like you're going to be hanging it 8 times a year in different places. So I just wanted to show you that's how this works. These are nice, strong hooks. They have a really nice look to them. And once you decide what you want to do, just give it a tap and tap it down. Be gentle with it. Leave a little space here, but it will look absolutely terrific when you get it. I will go over the hanging process with you with the secret hook. It's very basic stuff, but I want to show you that in another video. But your window is finished. And I'm going to send you a crating video that shows you how the crating works. And I'm going to send you a generic crating video. It doesn't matter what size the box is. All the crating is done the same way. So I'm going to send you that. So if I reference certain things in the video that don't pertain to you, don't worry about it. I will fill you in on anything extra that does pertain to you in another video. So I'm sending you sort of a generic crating video. I'll send you another video on particular ways to handle this panel once you get it home. And we'll chat about that at another time. Okay, so great. So I'm going to be crating this weekend, and I'll call the box in. All right, talk to you soon.